7 things VAs will never tell you. Hi guys! Nandito na naman tayo sa panibagong episode here on Amazon Nation's YouTube channel where we help you to become the next highly paid Amazon VA. The things that I'm going to tell you right now are juicy as in, because maybe some of you nag-research sa internet ano nga ba mga ginagawa ng mga VAs in terms of their tasks and salaries. But minsan, kahit ma-search na natin lahat sa Google, meron pa rin mga nakaka-intrigang facts na hindi pa rin natin nakikita basta-basta sa internet. Well, nandito ako para hindi ka na ma-hassle at ma-confuse. But before I tell you that, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our YouTube page so that you cannot miss contents like this. Without further ado, here are 7 things that VAs will never tell you. Number 1, wala sa college degree ang labanan. May kilala ka ba na college graduate ng VA na ngayon? Some are may mga accountancy graduates, engineering graduates, pati mga nursing graduates ay VA na din ngayon. Some of them do it on full-time, may mga iba naman ginagawa nila as part-time, kumbaga parang side hustles nila. So ayan, now you know na madaming college graduate na VA, but guess what? Mas marami din mga undergraduates na VAs na din ngayon. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need a college degree to become a virtual assistant. I repeat, you don't need a degree to become a virtual assistant. For a job na kahit taas ang sweldo, syempre ina-expect na at least college graduate kasi mataas ang standards. Well, mas mataas pa actually ang standards sa pagiging barista sa Starbucks. Number 2, we earn by working more. Ito, most VAs work than more just one client. Kumbaga, if kumakita siya ng $4 per hour tapos 3 ang kanyang clients, ibig sabihin, ang kinikita niya for 1 hour ay $12. Sounds good to be true, ah? Let me explain. Kung nasa normal physical office tayo, di ba, usually hindi naman talaga pwede dito double or triple yung hours. Hindi naman kasi kaya na hatiin mo ang sarili mo na magtrabaho elsewhere. Kaya yung mga iba na nag-work sa physical office, meron silang mga part-time sa labas. Kaso nga lang, lagpas 8 hours ang kanilang trabaho. But as a virtual assistant, kailangan lang natin ng laptop and stable Wi-Fi. Pwede tayong magkaroon ng 1, 2, or 3 na clients. And the more clients that we have, the more we get paid. Amazing, di ba? Number 3, we like working alone. One of the greatest strengths of becoming a virtual assistant is that we are self-motivated. We manage our own time and we work on ourselves. At dahil nga sa online lang kami, we don't usually see our workmates. Yes, being a VA is a solitary career. Staying home for work has a lot of perks, but if you are an extrovert person, you may easily get bored. The thing is, kaming mga VAs, sanay kami mag-work alone. Actually, may mga perks such as wala kaming office drama, walang toxicity, and wala ding mga work politics. Kasi everything is working at home. It's just our computer, our virtual bosses, colleagues that you will get along very fast. If party person ka naman and you wanna see more people and that you are extrovert, maybe you can invite your friends to work in a cafe. Promise, ang saya nun. You are working while being productive in a very nice place. Number 4, mataas ang dollar rate, mataas ang sweldo. Magkano na ba ang dollar rate ngayon? 57, 58, 59? That is true. The higher the dollar rate, the higher are our salaries. But wait, before you react, alam naman namin na hindi naman din kasi ganun kaganda ang dulot pag mataas ang dollar rate. Of course, it will reflect our economy as a nation. Of course, we are not happy about that. But ayon, take advantage while it lasts. But kami, mga VAs, sobrang grateful namin when this happens kasi sa kahit kaunting taas ng dollar rate is tumataas ang aming sweldo. But of course, depende pa rin yun kung magkano ang iyong rate per hour. But for Amazon VAs na starting, some are earning for $4 and kapag season Amazon VA ka naman, mas mga tumataas siya for $10 per hour. Let's say nag-earn ka $1,200 as a virtual assistant per month. So that's 1,200 times 50 equals 60,000. But if ang dollar rate naman ay 56 pesos, so that's 1,200 times 56 equals 67,500 pesos a month. In short, nag-increase ka ng 7,500 pesos. Malaking bagay na yun for the same amount of time and effort that you put into your work. Kaya pag tumaas ang dollar rate, ikinatutuwa ng mga VAs around the country. Number 5, 6-digit income is common. Nasya-shock ka ba kapag meron kang napapanood sa internet or sa TikTok na may mga Amazon VAs na nag-earn ng 1,200 a month? Hindi yon scam ha? It's the truth for some VAs, but not all ha? But let me explain. But if mataas ang rate mo as a VA and that you are hardworking, talagang maaabot mo ang 6-figure income. Let's say you have 3 clients and that they are paying you $3 per hour each. That means you can earn up to $1,400 a month. Tapos may mga side hustles ka pa na pinipay ka ng clients around $350. Pag inat mo yun lahat at the end of the month, magkakaroon ka ng 6-digit income. But there are some mga VAs that are very lucky na from the start ay $10 na agad sila. Tapos, 2 pa ang kanilang mga clients. They get around $3,200 per month. That's a whopping 179,000 pesos a month if 56 pesos ang dollar rate. Again, depende pa din to sa kung anong klaseng VA ka. Depending sa quality of work mo, sa skills mo, and kung magkano ang rate mo per hour. So if kaya nila maging 6-digit earner, kayang-kaya mo din. Number 6, wala sa tenure ang salary rate. Baka iniisip mo na porket newbie ka, $2 na agad automatically ang iyong rate. But if you come to think of it, na kahit pinagtatawanan natin ang $2 per hour, if you're gonna look at it, almost 1,000 pesos din ang kinikita mo per day. Anyway, the question is, nasa tenure nga ba talaga ang salary rate? Need mo ba magstay kay client ng 1, 2, 3, or 4 years para lang sweldohan ka niya ng $10 per hour? Well guys, I know what you're thinking. Some of you would say, oo nga, possible ang 6-digit income. Pero paano naman kaming mga newbies? No. Kasi merong mga VAs na they get paid $5, $6, or $7, $8 to $10 in just day 1. Yes, you heard that right. The secret is hindi talaga nasa tenure VAs ang magiging possible pay mo. It's the kind of VA that you are. Yes, not all VAs are all equal. Well, just like in the corporate world, let's say nagstay ka na dun sa company for 10 years pero same pa din ang position mo. So, hindi nag-i-increase ang salary mo. But when someone na newbie, tapos ang qualification niya ay managerial level, tapos bago pa lang siya, tiyak na mas mataas ang magiging salary niya sa'yo. Same thing din sa pagiging VA. May mga VAs na mas mataas ang sahod kasi in demand ang kanilang skills and expertise. Other kinds of highly paid VAs are copywriters, web developers, and Amazon VAs. Number 7, abundant kami sa mga bonuses. Akala nyo kayo lang may 13 months pay ha? Hindi alam ng marami na ang mga VAs na ang clients na nila ay nasa abroad ay nagbibigay ng mga 13-month pay or bonuses. Meron din mga ibang perks na binibigay such as SSS and HMO. Meron pa nga, may mga iba merong sick leaves, paid leaves, and even mga leaves kapag may mga birthday sila. May mga iba nga na pinapalive pag napapanganak. Disclaimer, hindi lahat ng mga VAs ay may gantong perks and benefits. Depende pa din sa iyong magiging client. But get this, imagine na meron kang 2 clients na nagbibigay ng 13-month pay. So imagine, pag sumapit ang 13-month pay, 2 ang makukuha mo. Amazing, right? But there are some aspiring stories from our Amazon VAs na ang mga clients nila ay binibigyan sila ng extra money pag nalaman nila na nasalanta sila ng bagyo or may naranasan silang mga hindi magagandang calamities. May iba nga nakakatanggap ng extra money tuwing birthday nila or minsan pinapadala pa nga sila ng MacBook. Yung iba naman nakapapanganak lang ay binibigyan na sila ng bonuses. We even know some VAs na ang client nila ay nagbebenta ng food supplements. Well, during quarter is pinapadalahan sila ng kanilang clients ng food supplements para din maging healthy ang kanilang mga VAs. I can go on a whole day sharing to you different inspirational stories about clients giving bonuses to their VAs. But again, remember, hindi lahat pare-pareho ang magiging bonuses and benefits ng mga VAs. We are not declaring that all VAs have the same benefits kasi depende pa din yun sa magiging inyong client. This is to clarify na hindi porket wala dito si client sa Pilipinas, hindi na siya nagbibigay ng bonuses. Nakakaloka, di ba? Ang taas na nga ng sahod ni VA, meron pang bonus. And believe me, if you will do your task the right way and with quality, your clients will be happy to give you those bonuses and perks. And there you have it. So hopefully, this video gave you a clearer insight on what it's like to become a virtual assistant here in the Philippines. If you have questions, let us know in the comment section below and we will answer it one by one. If you are interested to become a highly paid virtual assistant, why not try to become an Amazon VA by joining our ASVA Masterclass? Learn more about the course in our description box below and don't forget to comment, "I'm a goal getter," so you can get your 10% discount when you enroll on the course. Hi guys! Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. And if you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification button here on our YouTube and also follow our pages on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. It's Amazon Nation PH and connect with us on LinkedIn. See you!